What is a rock cycle? The formation and changing of rock goes on and on. When the rock is subducted into the upper mantle, the rock will melt into magma. This provides a new source of material for volcanism, such as magma intrusion and volcanic eruptions. Cooling and solidification of magma and lava lead to the formation of new igneous rocks. When rocks on the surface are subject to denudation, the loose material will be carried away and deposited. Sedimentation takes place. Layers of sediment pile up and are compacted by weight. Together with cementation, the loose sediment is lithified into sedimentary rocks. When rocks are folded up or are displaced along faults, or rising magma intrudes into rock layers, high temperature and high pressure change the nature of rocks. Metamorphism takes place. This cycle of transformation, which affects all rocks and involves all parts of the crust, is known as the rock cycle. It should be noted that the path shown is not the only possible way of rock transformation. Think about these things. 1. Can igneous rock turn into metamorphic rock? How? 2. Can sedimentary rock turn into igneous rock? How? 3. Can metamorphic rock turn into sedimentary rock? How?